Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Sam's Biology. In this video, we will discuss difference between multiple alleles and polygenic trait. So what is multiple allele? When more than two alternative forms of a gene are present, then it is called multiple allelism. For example, gene for blood group. In case of gene for blood group, there are three alleles: IA, IB, and I naught. So in this case, you can see that there are three alternative form of a gene. This is a gene for blood group, and this gene has three alternative form of a gene, or you can say three allele. This is called multiple allele. Now coming to polygenic traits. When poly means many, genic means gene. So when a trait is controlled by two or more than two genes, then this trait is called polygenic trait. For example, skin color in humans. In case of skin color, there are three genes: A gene, B gene, and C gene. These three genes determines skin color. So this trait, skin color, is a polygenic trait because it is controlled by more than, or you can say it is controlled by three genes. So this is polygenic trait. In case of multiple allelism, all these you can say allele that are more than two, they are present in population. They are not present in single individual. Suppose these are three alleles: IA, IB, and I naught. In a single human, there can be two alleles at a time. It might be IA, IB, or IA, I naught. So there can be only two alleles at a time in an individual. But inside a population, multiple allelism is present. But in case of polygenic trait, these more than two genes are present. Many genes are present in single organism. If you are talking about skin color, we know that it is controlled by three genes. So all these three genes are present in every human being. But in case of multiple allelism, there are three alleles. In a single human being, only two can be there out of three. Now coming to the third difference. These multiple alleles are found, or you can say are variant of single gene. A single gene is there, and these all are variant of single gene. But in this case, these are not a single gene, these are separate genes. And these alleles, IA, IB, I naught, they are present on same locus of homologous chromosomes. These are present on the same locus of chromosome. But these genes, capital A, capital B, capital C, in case of polygenic trait, these genes are present on different chromosome and different locus. So this is difference between multiple allele and polygenic trait. In case of multiple allele, a single gene has more than two alternative forms or variant. For example, gene for blood group, it has three variants. In polygenic trait, a single trait is controlled by more than two genes or more than two genes. For example, skin color. Skin color is controlled by 3G. Another example of polygenic trait is kernel color in wheat. It is controlled by 2G, A and B. So these multiple alleles are present in population, not a single organism. But these genes, multi-genes, are present in single organism, and these are present on the same locus of homologous chromosome. But polygenic genes, these genes for polygenic trait, these are present on different chromosome and different locus. So this is the difference between multiple allele and polygenic traits.